Welcome to B2GreenHub, your gateway to digital and green transition. The B2GreenHub platform offers a diverse and comprehensive suite of services, training programs, solutions, and infrastructure, all aimed at helping European manufacturing companies fast-track their digital and green transformation. It also provides clear guidance and practical support through various interactive tools and learning modules, helping users better understand the steps and concepts involved in the transition process. With a clear and intuitive learning path, the platform empowers users to confidently navigate their transformation journey and take informed steps toward meaningful, long-term improvement. Among others, at B2GreenHub, we connect European manufacturing companies with green and digital service providers that offer top-tier expertise, advanced testing facilities, and innovative solutions. Through tailored support, we help you recognize your green and digital potential and provide guidance on your way to sustainable growth and market leadership. Here, both service seekers and service providers can explore a wealth of resources and services tailored to support their operational needs and innovation goals. As a first step, we recommend you create a free B2GreenHub account. Not all functions of B2GreenHub are accessible without an account, so in order to follow all tutorials and access all modules and information, registering first is a good idea and may save you a future headache. If you don't already have a B2GreenHub account, navigate to the following link in order to register. First, we will have a look at the Resources tab, which contains the most important materials on the B2GreenHub platform. The information here has been sorted into 4 categories: Learn, Improve, Connect, and Get Funded. The Learn category leads to the Green Path Academy, a supplementary offer designed to help companies obtain basic and advanced knowledge about topics such as smart manufacturing and green industry innovation. The Academy offers a number of courses on these topics, which interested companies may go through in order to improve their knowledge base. Also in the Learn category are subpages with information on knowledge transfer and capacity building, practical sustainability strategies, smart specialization, and circular economy. Next up, under Improve, we now want to give you what it takes to take your theoretical knowledge and implement it in a practical setting. Under Assessment and Planning, you are presented with a number of tools to help you map out your sustainability and digitization journey. For example, the toolbox will present you with a way to create and implement a sustainability program, and the Business Model Generator will allow you to build and refine your business model in a structured way. To learn more about these tools, please refer to their dedicated video tutorial. The Connect section is the central hub for international cooperation between organizations. Here, you are given a variety of ways to look for interesting business partners, potential customers, experts, events, or facilitators by sorting them with criteria such as technological specialization or country of origin. This module also allows you to connect with experts or companies you're interested in by using the contact form. To learn more about the Connect section, please refer to its video tutorial. The Connect section is also linked to the B2GreenHub Marketplace, which you can access via the green button at the top. Here, you can browse all of B2GreenHub's services, trainings, solutions, and infrastructure providers, with filter options like thematic area, country, project, or type of service provided. Finally, we move on to Get Funded, which seeks to give you the information you need to acquire capital for either funding green and digital projects in your existing company, or for building up an entirely new one. This section presents detailed information on both public and private methods of capital acquisition, for example via funding programs, crowdfunding, or by engaging private investors. Of particular note in this context is the Private Equity Investment Readiness Tool, which you can find in the Funding Help Center. This tool serves as an interactive repository of templates and information which are needed in order to attract an investment from the private equity sector. To learn more about the Private Equity Investment Readiness Tool, please refer to its dedicated tutorial. This brings us to the second top menu entry, Solutions. This module is all about getting inspired by best practice implementations of green and digital projects in organizations all throughout Central Europe. The solutions are categorized by sector, so you may freely choose the areas which are of greatest interest and relevance to you and your company. For example, infrastructure or technology development. Delve into the entries and get inspired. Next is the Expert Forum. This is the place for open forum input and communication on questions and proposals you may seek a wider range of opinions on. Create a post by clicking this green button, or engage and interact with any threads already present by clicking on them directly. For more information on the expert forum, please refer to its dedicated video tutorial. Rounding out this brief introduction to B2GreenHub is the News and Events section, which presents a selection of event opportunities related to green and digital transformation, and the Projects section, which introduces Green 4.0 and the other projects which have contributed to the creation of B2GreenHub. As a final step, we would like to direct your attention to this very important button. If you are a technology solution provider, a green or digital expert, or a manager of testing infrastructure, we cordially invite you to create a profile for a chance to present your products or services to the wider B2GreenHub community. Follow the guide to learn how to tailor your profile, match with other companies, and evaluate your impact. We hope this tutorial has given you a good first impression of B2GreenHub, and that it has encouraged you to engage further with its offerings. If you have any questions not answered by this video and the supplementary tutorials, please feel free to reach out directly to us via info@b2greenhub.eu. B2GreenHub. Grow green. Embed digital.